Hey guys, it's me on Dog YT, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Illusion smartphone for Verizon. This is an older Android device that Verizon sold on their network back in the early 2010s. I believe this device was released in 2012 or 2013. And yeah, this one is a brand new device from the time in its original prepaid packaging. It's got one of these clamshell packages. It has all the specs here. It's got a 3.5-inch touchscreen, Android 2.3 Gingerbread, 3G and Wi-Fi compatible, 3 megapixel camera, and hearing aid compatibility. Those are some of the specs listed. And yeah, this device is, like I said, very old. It's from, I can look actually probably on the bottom. Yes, right here it says 2013. So, right here. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and assume that this was released in 2013. And yeah, so for 2013 standards, it's actually kind of, in my opinion, a little outdated for having been on Android 2.3. But yeah, I guess this was like one of the last phones, I guess, to ship with that version of Android. So yeah, I guess we'll tear into this thing. I'm going to go pause to get like a pair of scissors or something to cut this open with, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the scissors. So typically these clamshell packages are hard to open with your hands. I guess I know from experience because I've unboxed many devices like this in these clamshell packages. So sometimes they're hard to open. So I guess I'll have to use the scissors for this one. It sucks I'll kind of break the package, but maybe I could try and do it with my hands. Here, I'm gonna look. Let's see if I can do it with my hands. This might be too hard. I actually might be able to open this with my hands. So, yes, I'm gonna have to cut it open. Okay. It's gonna have to be cut open right here. So, here we go. It's a little tough to cut open this part here. Maybe I just rip the rest off. Just try to cut through. Alright, now I could probably just peel the rest of it open. I'm going to try and hold it away from the camera while I cut it open, because I don't want to get it like everywhere and all the plastic pieces that are gonna like freaking fly open. All right, so let's see here. I'm just gonna pause it and I'll come back when it's open. All right, guys, so I did my best to cut the back of this package open. I didn't do it the best, but I guess I'll just pull everything out now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here we have the owner's literature. I'm gonna put this off to the side for a moment. Got your charging brick right here. It's original baggie. All of this is still brand new and original. brand new. Samsung. Here's your micro USB cable in its original packaging as well. I like how it's still brand new. It's cool when you get to purchase these devices and they're brand new and they're kind of, typically if they're this old they'd be like used and in rough shape, but like a lot of the phones in my collection that I have to like kind of fix and recondition. But this thing's brand new. Here's the original micro USB cable it came with, and here is the device itself in this part. There we go. In this compartment here you have the battery. Let me pull it out real quick. It is a I'm sorry, it's kind of hard to open this battery. Gotta just kind of. There we go. This has a 1500 milliamp hour battery. And here is the device itself, completely brand new and original. I'll just peel off the screen protector for you guys. Pretty nice. Now I'll peel off the back plastic off the back cover. Oh, it broke off. Sorry that it wasn't as satisfying of a peel as the front protector. But yeah, this thing's brand new, like I said. It's so nice to have a brand new device from this time. Again, you know, the last time I've ever seen one of these kinds of older Samsung prepaid devices brand new is when they were brand new back in the day. So it's cool that I'm surprised that no one ever used this. But yeah, this thing's like brand new. I think it might still. Does it have any plastic on the sides? Doesn't look like it. So yeah, this thing's brand new. I'm definitely going to be reviewing this device very soon. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching my unboxing of this device. The Samsung Illusion. The model number is SCH-I110, as you can see there. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of this video of this phone. I'm going to be reviewing it soon. And stay tuned for the review of this video, guys. And I have so many more videos I'm going to be releasing soon. Bunch of channel updates and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.